Baking is all about precision. Too much flour or too little sugar, and your entire recipe can go off track. But here's the real problem. Most online recipes use vague measurements like cups, spoons, or a pinch, which are inconsistent and confusing, especially when you're trying to recreate professional level results. Whether you're a beginner trying to get a cake just right, or a pro baker aiming for perfection in every batch, the lack of standardized, accurate measurements is frustrating. That's why we built BakeScale AI, a AI-powered assistant designed to bring clarity, accuracy, and confidence back into your kitchen. Here's how the web app works. Once I log into the app, I land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard with options like instant recipe upload, measurement conversion, and precision made easy using a digital smart scale. I can start by entering an ingredient, choose my country, metric system, or let it auto-detect, then select units, like teaspoons to grams, and get the exact conversions. I can also view substitutes. There's also a paste from text feature, where I just type what I'm cooking. The app instantly pulls up ingredients, conversions, and smart substitutions. It even shows step-by-step instructions powered by Gemini API, clear, concise, and easy to follow. If I have a recipe image, maybe from a cookbook or a friend, I can simply upload it. The app reads it, extracts all the ingredients, and again gives me conversions, substitutions, and related cooking tips. And the best part, there's a voice assistant. So while cooking, with messy or flour-covered hands, I can just talk to it for help. No need to touch the screen or stop mid-recipe. It's a smart, simple way to make everyday cooking faster, more precise, and a whole lot easier. The app also has a Bluetooth smart scale integration. The app connects to a hardware weighing scale via Bluetooth. You select the ingredient type, and the app will give audio feedback. To bring the smart measurement system to life, we've integrated an ESP32 base load cell setup with Bluetooth and LED indicators, which you can experience in real time through a virtual simulator. Okay, so here's all the tech behind the magic we used. Gemini, Flutter, Flask, Google Cloud Run, Firestore, Google Cloud Vision API, a custom AI model, Internet of Things, and Firebase. So at the end of the day, baking should feel like easy, not overwhelming, you know? With BakeScale AI, we're just making it a little simpler, a little smarter, and like a lot more fun. Happy baking!